Guys, check out this classic, 1987 420 SEL, the Mac Daddy back in the day. What a beauty. All right, let me show you guys what we've done. So it's got stock downpipes right there. Got a cat there, a secondary cat there. It's true-dualed all the way back from the factory. Then there was a resonator setup I'm going to show you guys, which comes one resonator here, one resonator here, and then they like merge out and then merge back in on each side. It's crazy. I'll show it to you there over there. So, but anyways, remember this image, okay? So we took it off and just did a resonator delete. He wanted a little bit more sound and kept the stock muffler out the back, and it's still true dual. But check out how much work they put into the resonator. Look at that middle section. That's what I was telling you guys about, one here and one here. Look at that design. They don't make them like they used to, but ain't that crazy? Anyways, stay tuned, guys. We're going to let you guys hear it. Hope you guys like it. And if you guys don't know, we are located in beautiful Nashville, Tennessee. And hit that subscribe button. All right, guys, here we go. 420 SEL. Start it. It didn't make a huge difference. All that rust because it just sits. This guy has a bunch of cars and he loves Mercedes, so he collects them. Again, a little bit more tone. Here's sound decibels, go ahead. Right at 86. It's not crazy loud, just barely. Again.
The question is, to make it louder, delete the muffler. How much more would that add?
It'd be loud. It'll sound good though. We can do something in its place if you want, like 2 vibrants or something. And what they do is they'll deepen the tone instead of being a raspy deal.
Right.
Yeah, throaty deal. A deep one.
Like that.
About 800.
Okay.
Again? Yeah, it's barely anywhere. That's the resonators right there. Look at that.
I'll take a picture of that.
You want to take them with you?
No. You can throw them out.
Go ahead, yeah, we'll do.
I don't want to get
Go ahead and back it out. I'm surprised they barely did anything.
I know. He wanted to delete them. Like, well, we're going to do a full exhaust repair. They're there. They're still there, see?
Yeah, you can hear more motor than anything. I'll let you guys hear on the inside. I'll tell you guys, this car is mint. This car is mint. Look at this thing. Wow. Wow. With 118,000 miles and it still looks like that. What happened to Mercedes, man? That's how they were all, you know? Remember the old, yeah, remember the old school horsehair they used to tack them with?
Yeah, the seats.
Yes.
Sure, that still has horsehair.
Yeah.
Seats.
I used to always have that distinctive smell, you know? There it is. Here we go. Drive off with resonator delete that we just did on this 420 SEL. It didn't do anything, barely. He needs more, he'll be back, I know it.